Amitabh Thakur, the IPS officer who faced that threat, is with me on the News Hour tonight. Amitabh Thakur, good evening. This is Arnab here. I hope you can hear me loud and clear, Mr. Thakur. And with you tonight on the News Hour is Gaurav Bhatia, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Gaurav, is that Mulayam Singh Yadav's voice? Is that Mulayam Singh Yadav's voice, Gaurav Bhatia?
I would only say this, Arnab, that from whatever has been played, one cannot say in a determinative manner whether it is or not, and I will tell you why.
No.
Because the original clip of the audio recording that Mr. Amitabh Thakur says shows that Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav threatened him has not been submitted by Amitabh Thakur with his complaint. Now, it is very important, and as an IPS officer, Mr. Amitabh Thakur should know that primary evidence, the original audio clip, should have been submitted by him.
Is that Mulayam Singh Yadav?
Made a very frivolous complaint without the original audio recording, which in law he should have submitted before the police.
Tonight on the program, the Samajwadi Party spokesperson hides behind a technical and a legal argument that this is not an original recording of Mulayam Singh Yadav's voice. Amitabh Thakur's response to the Samajwadi Party spokesperson, please. Any doubt about this being Mulayam's voice threatening you, Mr. Thakur?
No, you didn't ask him. There is no doubt what Mr. Gaurav said. And did he submit it or not?
Let him reply, Mr. Bhatia. Are you scared of what he'll say? If he replies openly, let him. Amitabh Thakur, any doubt that this is Mulayam Singh Yadav threatening you?
I am more scared that he might cheat the nation again by revealing half-truth. That is what I am afraid of.
This is a democracy. He has a right to speak for himself, Mr. Bhatia. Allow Amitabh Thakur to talk tonight. Amitabh Thakur, when and under what circumstances and why did Mulayam Singh Yadav threaten you? A, any doubts that this is Mulayam Singh Yadav's voice?
About B, I will come first. To me, there is no doubt what Mr. Gaurav Yadav says. Yes, technically and legally, as the words you rightly said, I should, and in fact, I will, the day I am back to Lucknow, I will produce the CD. I will give even a copy of the mobile phone I have with the police, and then I would like to see the police actually investigate the matter. That is the point number B. Point number A, sir. Why did it happen?
Sir, Mr. Bhatia, please. Mr. Bhatia, serious matter, please. Serious matter. Your leader caught red-handed tonight trying to threaten and intimidate a senior police officer. I'm sorry, Mr. Bhatia. Mr. Bhatia,
drifting away from the
Mr. Bhatia, please do not interrupt him. Mr. Bhatia, do not interrupt him. Do you know how serious this matter is? Mr. Bhatia, please do not interrupt him. No, Mr. Bhatia, you are trying on News Hour tonight to stop a police officer who's taken you on from speaking.
No,
Mr. Thakur, please continue.
To talk about rule of law, to talk about the legal provisions,
yes,
is it
Mr. Thakur, now 1 minute. Let me handle this.
And
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia,
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, an admission that
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, you know, Mr. Bhatia, you have said your piece. You know, everyone across India now would like to listen to the IPS officer who received a phone call from Mulayam Singh Yadav saying, mend your ways, or you will be physically attacked. This is effectively what he said. Amitabh Thakur, please continue. Please continue.
Sir, what I wanted to say was that the background of this is nothing but illegal mining. As we all know, illegal mining is heavily rampant in the state of Uttar Pradesh. The only fault, by chance I would say, my wife submitted Nutan Thakur is my wife's social activist. She submitted a complaint before the Lokayukt about illegal mining with direct complicity of Mr. Gayatri Prajapati, who I will say is universally acknowledged as being the blue-eyed boy of Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav. So there from the story began, and after this complaint all kinds of things happened, which is a long story, and definitely I do not have time to explain everything on the CBI inquiry takes place. But what the D-Day actually came, I will call the Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav, a leader of his stature, telephoning me, an ordinary person like me, was the day when an FIR actually got registered against Mr. Gayatri Prajapati, the blue-eyed boy of Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav, against whom an FIR was registered by my wife. So the issue basically is about illegal mining in the state, and our incidentally falling into that, starting pursuing the matter, and today it is where we are now.
Now, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, a couple of questions you will answer now. I will ask the questions and you will answer them. Mr. Bhatia, 1 minute. Mr. Bhatia, this is not right. 1 second. Mr. Bhatia, please.
What is
please.
not right?
I'll tell you. The fact that you are not taking my questions is not right. Please, Mr. Bhatia. Please.
I will take all your
Mr.
questions,
Bhatia, Mr. Bhatia.
2 questions to Mr. Amitabh
Mr. Bhatia, you are not the anchor of the program.
If they are not relevant after I've asked them,
Mr. Bhatia.
Why? If
Mr. Bhatia, asking questions is my job.
These facts have not come in the public domain so far, Arnab.
Mr. Bhatia.
These facts have not come in the public domain.
I will share some facts now.
Humility, I am saying. These are the most relevant facts for the entire debate.
Mr. Bhatia, let me ask the question, please.
You do not
after
dominate this debate.
Mr. Bhatia,
don't
please.
dominate this debate.
Mr. Bhatia.
I think I also have the right
Mr.
to
Bhatia, please let us understand. Okay, Mr. Bhatia, I'll say something here. I'll give you full opportunity, but you must understand this. One thing is this, if this is the voice, and please don't interrupt, please listen to me for a while, because otherwise it will be an attempt at obfuscating the course of the debate. Now, Mr. Bhatia, a couple of points to you. When the son of Mulayam Singh Yadav and the chief minister of your state says that this is the correct tape, he has not denied it. That means it is his voice. Point number 1. Point number 2, Mulayam Singh is known as Netaji. Point number 3, the person on the phone refers to a Jasrana case where there had been a clash between Amitabh Thakur and the Samajwadi Party MLA. And the person on the tape says you are acting against him. This can be referred to as a reference to the mining minister. The Amitabh Thakur confirms the digits on the phone. No, let me continue. Confirms the digits on the phone from where the threatening call was made to be, which belonged to Mulayam Singh Yadav. 1 second. 6. Mulayam Singh Yadav discusses meeting his parents.
Of the debate, if I am not able to make my point, I will face the consequences. But I'll tell you something, Arnab. Please don't censor your debates and don't divert from the main issue.
Okay, here's the question.
You should allow me time, and you will see that the real truth would come out on Newshour. If you don't want it to come out, I'll be silent.
Mr. Thakur,
all the allegations.
Mr. Thakur, I have one question to Amitabh Thakur, and then I'm coming to you. My only question to Amitabh Thakur and 2 other panelists to join us. I'll give you a full chance. Amitabh Thakur, where did the phone call come from? And at what time did you receive the phone call from Mulayam?
The phone call came from a number which I later confirmed from the UP government directory. belonged to Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav. It came exactly at 4:45 p.m. in the evening when I was in the office.
You can prove the phone number came from Mulayam Singh Yadav, that it's not just that the voice sounds like Mulayam Singh Yadav. You can prove that the phone call came from his phone number.
Definitely, that is on record, that is on mobile phone. That can be easily proved. But the only thing is, as Mr. Gaurav Bhatia rightly said, I need to submit the original, and I will be submitting the original to the police.
Why did
and let the police inquire into the matter.
Now, on the 9th of July,
should you not be asking him why did he not submit the originals if he was in possession of the original recording?
What's your problem?
Is it not primary evidence?
He will.
Is he not aware of the Supreme Court judgment that without the primary evidence, this entire complaint falls, because there are two important things: the source and authenticity of the audio tape that he's relying on, and he forgets to submit that.
Are you putting a Bangaru Lakshman kind of argument on Newshour tonight? My question is on the 9th, Mr. Bhatia.
I'm not. Let me come on very hard-hitting facts if you allow me to
Mr.
speak.
Bhatia, I have one question to you. I have one question to you.
Not allow me to speak.
I have one question to you. On the 9th of July.
And I'll demolish every allegation that Mr. Amitabh Thakur is. I urge you, I request you that 2 minutes.
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, I urge you, I request you, I cajole you and I plead to you to understand that on the 9th of July,
I want your hard-hitting questions. But you also have to face certain hard-hitting facts.
Okay, okay, Gaurav Bhatia, I welcome Ajay Kumar and Shahid Siddiqui into the debate, but before that, I will allow you one question. Okay, gentlemen, from Gaurav Bhatia to Amitabh Thakur, and then from Amitabh Thakur to Gaurav Bhatia, I will allow one question each, and then I'll take the debate forward. Now, Gaurav Bhatia, make it brief. I allow you one question, so that he can answer. One question to him.
I have 2 points to make.
You wanted a question, I allow one question.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Both are interrelated. I'll be making 2 points. Please don't interrupt. I think Mr. Amitabh Thakur's case, and everywhere in the media, he has been crying foul that he has been targeted. And Arnab, you also need to ask him something that is even more serious, that what Nutan Thakur, his wife, does is that in her complaint, now which is an FIR registered against Gayatri Prajapati, they made this lady who has submitted a complaint against Mr. Amitabh Thakur an accused. So a lady who says that Mr. Amitabh Thakur raped her has been made an accused in the FIR.
Gaurav, now that's a long question, please.
So easy.
Now, one second. For the viewer tonight, I want you to understand one thing. 1 second. Viewers.
A lady that says that her honor has been taken away is made an accused by Nutan Thakur in his FIR. Why are they trying to threaten this lady?
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, I will let Amitabh Thakur respond.
It's not relevant.
But Mr. Bhatia, please listen to me.
Not relevant.
Mr. Bhatia, I'll tell you what's relevant. I'll tell you if you only listen.
No, this is most relevant.
Again, you are going on, Mr. Bhatia. You're not listening.
Also values
Mr. Bhatia.
If a lady is raped and then she is made an accused in a counter FIR, it's a very serious thing.
Mr. Bhatia, now you can't repeat yourself. I'll let Amitabh Thakur respond. Amitabh Thakur, here is the sequence of events. On the 9th of July, the IPS officer's wife, right? The FIR is registered against the mining minister of Uttar Pradesh and others on the complaint of the IPS officer's wife who accuses them. Allow me, Mr. Thakur, Mr. Bhatia, please. On 9th of July, please don't disturb Mr. Bhatia, please. Let me tell people what's happening. You think, Mr. Bhatia, it is so easy that in this country, an IPS officer who exposes your leader suddenly faces a case of rape? You think Times Now will not ask questions?
IPS officer who has been charged with the
Mr. Bhatia,
of rape in January 2015,
Mr. Bhatia,
and his wife goes on.
Mr. Bhatia, okay, here, viewers, please. Viewers,
the complaint.
This is to viewers, please, and don't disturb. On the 9th of July.
Not serious?
Mr. Bhatia, please. On the 9th of July. Now you've had more than
Mr.
Bhatia, you have to let Amitabh Thakur come into the debate. It's not fair. On the 9th of July, on the 9th of July, on the 9th of July, please understand, on the 9th of July, an FIR is registered against the mining minister on whose complaint? On the complaint of Amitabh Thakur's wife, who's an RTA activist. On the 10th of July, that is Friday,
And
Amitabh Thakur, please do not heckle me, Mr. Bhatia.
The
Please.
lady who filed a complaint against Amitabh
Mr.
Thakur,
Bhatia, don't heckle me,
he has
Mr.
raped
Bhatia.
her.
Please,
She
I need to
becomes an
talk to the
accused
viewers
in
for
FIR
a
after
minute.
6 months.
For the minute, please, Mr. Bhatia.
Even
Let
I
me.
need to talk to the viewers.
Mr. Bhatia, you are. Mr. Bhatia, you
Can't
have.
be your exclusive right.
Mr. Bhatia, it's not my exclusive right. I'm requesting you to please let me speak to the viewers. Please, I need to share something with them, and after them, let them be the judge. Whether you're right, Amitabh Thakur is right, I'm right, or anyone else is right. I'm just placing a chronology of events which I have a right to do as part of a democratic debate. On the 9th of July, Mr. Bhatia, an FIR is registered against the mining minister and others on the complaint of the IPS officer's wife, who accuses them of framing her and her husband
No,
in fake
not
cases.
9th of July. Not 9th of July. You are wrong.
9th of July, Thursday, as far as my information is concerned. A
No,
day before.
it was 20th of June. 20th of June 2015.
My information is okay, fine. On my information is that on the 9th of July, a day before Mulayam
Yes,
Singh
I have
Yadav's
the right
alleged threat,
information.
an
So I'm
FIR is
telling you.
threatened. Mr. Bhatia, is Amitabh Thakur interrupting here? On the 10th of July, Amitabh Thakur releases the audio tape with Mulayam Singh Yadav's threat saying, "Aap sudhar jaiye, itna ye keh diya. Mend your ways, I've told you as much." On the 11th of July, the IPS officer files a complaint with the police, and on the 11th and 12th of July, an FIR is filed against the IPS officer saying he's a rapist.
That
Now, my
complaint
question
was on
is,
record
Amitabh Thakur, you have a right to defend yourself. Amitabh Thakur, you have a right to defend yourself against a very serious charge of rape.
Yes, sir.
You are being called a rapist. Your wife is being called by your own state government.
No.
He's
not. He's an accused in a rape case.
Yeah, you
Let
are
us be
calling,
right
that's bad
technically.
enough. You are calling him an accused in a rape case and his wife an accomplice. These are
Yes, he
charges
is.
which are very serious, and he has a right to defend himself. Amitabh Thakur, defend yourself against the charge your own state government is now putting out against you. Gaurav, please listen to it. Yeah.
My only request to Mr. Gaurav would be, I am willing, everyone says that CBI is possibly one of the best agencies that we have at the moment. I want a CBI inquiry. If Mr. Gaurav Bhatia has guts, kindly let the state government refer the matter to the CBI. I don't have anything to say. I will know which people will be in jail and who will be proved right.
Central government? Do you have a tacit understanding with the central government that is controlling the CBI? So you want now have an SIT probe. You have a tacit understanding with the central government, therefore you want that, okay, let the CBI investigate. You have not answered my question, Mr. Amitabh Thakur, that did you not
What?
know
Amitabh,
about
respond.
the complaint that was filed in January 2015? That is my question to you. Did you tell the nation
The IPS
that there is
officer
a
now
complaint
responding
of
to you.
rape
Gaurav Bhatia, please.
against you in January 2015?
Gaurav Bhatia, the IPS officer taking you on, is now responding to you. Please listen to him, please. Others coming into the debate. Yes,
if he
Amitabh
can,
Thakur.
let him take me on.
Sir, in case I am allowed to, permitted, sir, there is a huge, it's a long history. Mr. Gaurav Bhatia knows that the story actually is that on January 14th, as he rightly said, the complaint came first. And the moment the complaint came, I and my wife babble with whatever he wants to say.
No, continue,
because
Amitabh.
it is a matter with Mr. Mulayam Singh, and Mr. Gaurav has to speak everything. If I am permitted to speak, let me speak, sir.
Go ahead, Amitabh.
Please go ahead.
So what I say is, sir, at that time when on January 14th the matter came to our notice that someone has alleged rape case against us, I went to the DGP, my wife went there, I said examine me medically, examine the lady medically. No one took heed of it, everyone was quiet. But the moment I registered the FIR, the lady immediately came to the DGP office himself, and it was the DGP of the state who directed the registration of the case. The same lady about whom for the last 6 months we had been saying, kindly inquire the matter. No one was listening to me. Neither to that lady, I would say, but the moment Mr. Mulayam Singh came in picture, the entire machinery swung into action. This is what shows everything about the case.
The point is this, and I get Ajay Kumar and Shahid Siddiqui into the debate now. No, there are two people who have not spoken. Gaurav, you have had more chance. I think I need to have two voices. I'm going to come back to you. My point is very simple. My point is very simple. Ajay Kumar, I'm coming to you. Here is the story. I just want to speak to the viewers for a minute, and Ajay, I'll come to you, and Shahid Siddiqui. Thakur. And it is because of this reason, and Gaurav cannot deny, it is because of this reason that the government of Uttar Pradesh faced acute embarrassment. Now a journalist, I'm asking this question to all Newshour viewers tonight. No, Gaurav, I have a right, Gaurav, I have a right to speak, Gaurav, I have a right to speak. The question is this, Gaurav, the question is this, a journalist is burned to death, and 1 second, a journalist, please, I am Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, please do not heckle me now. Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, don't heckle me now, let me say something. Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, please. A journalist is burned to death.
I pointed out...
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, please. Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, I am talking about the state on the one side and citizens on the other.
Mr. Amitabh Thakur.
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia.
You did not even question Mr. Amitabh Thakur.
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, please let me... Okay, I'll come back to you. I'll extend the debate by 10 minutes. 1 second. What? Now, Mr. Bhatia, I'll take 30 seconds. I'm taking 30 seconds, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, and then you can debate as if you're in open court. Just 30 seconds. I want to place just a few facts in 30 seconds, if Gaurav, please allow me. A journalist called Jagendra Chauhan is burnt alive. His dying declaration is recorded by the person on your screen, Amitabh Thakur, known to be a fairly fearless IPS officer. Right? The officer's wife, who's an RTI activist, Amitabh Thakur, his wife, files a case against the mining minister. An FIR is filed against the mining minister. 1 second. Then the chief minister allegedly calls the police officer and says, mend your ways, otherwise you'll face the same kind of action you faced earlier when there was a almost... No, you must not stop me. You can contradict me. No, you can contradict me, but you can't stop me. You can't stop my flow of thought now. I'm speaking to the audience. I am Mr. Gaurav Bhatia. What are you scared of? You let me complete, and then you can take me on and take everyone on. Mr. Bhatia, just give me 30 seconds, please. 30 seconds. After that, the police officer who faces charges releases the audio tape of Mulayam Singh Yadav threatening him. The very next day he is accused of rape. The very next day he is accused of rape, and worst of all, his wife is told she is an accomplice in the act of rape. My question is, if the IPS officer Amitabh Thakur on Newshour tonight stands guilty of allegedly raping a woman who filed a complaint 6 months back on December 31st, 2014, why was the same not converted to an FIR then? And now I would like to produce the police report, of which I have a copy. The police report is with me. No, look at this. Gaurav, do you have a TV screen before you? Do you have a TV screen before you? Do you have a TV screen? Do you have a TV screen? Can you see this police copy? No, I'll translate it. I'll translate it. 1 second. Report कहती है, आवेदन पत्र की जांच व सीडीआर के अवलोकन से लगाए गए आरोपों की पुष्टि नहीं होती है। थाना पर इस प्रकरण के संबंध में कोई अभियोग पंजीकृत नहीं है, which means on investigation of the application and observation of CDR call detail records, allegations are found incorrect. No case was registered on the application lodged. The police on 21st May 2015 wrote a letter to the Chief Judicial Magistrate claiming that the case against Amitabh Thakur is false. The letter was signed by senior Sub-Inspector Ramraj Kushwaha, who claimed that the allegations are false. No case has been registered. I have this with me. So where did the... Right. Are you pulling out the case?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you can say.
No, you know what I'm saying? Mr. Amitabh Thakur has all throughout been saying that he has been targeted by the government. If that was the case, then when we received a complaint, immediately FIR would have been registered to target him.
First you tell me
And please understand, I'll make it very simple. Please allow me to complete, Arnab. I will make
Okay,
it
no,
very
he's
simple.
laughing now. One second, he's laughing now. Why are you laughing, Amitabh Thakur? Why are you laughing at Gaurav Bhatia? Why are you laughing at Gaurav Bhatia?
See again, you did not allow me to complete my
He's laughing tonight.
And I think it is unfortunate
आप हंस
that
क्यों
we
रहे हैं?
have a debate where you don't give me an opportunity to make my point. I think Mr. Amitabh Thakur has realized that when you only place half facts before the public, you are caught and your cheating instinct is exposed. Mr. Amitabh Thakur did not tell the public that there is a complaint of rape against him in January. Why did he make public statements saying that he has been targeted now after he has submitted a complaint? I think a responsible officer should have done that.
One second.
And regarding the spirited plea, let me tell you
first
what the High Court said.
Okay, Gaurav, you're taking a lot of time. Two panelists have not spoken. Two panelists have not spoken. First of all, why are you laughing? Ajay, before that, you see,
talking about Gaurav, and Mr. Mulayam.
Gaurav, all I'm saying is, Gaurav, this is India. I just want to. India is a democracy. In India, be so high you are, you cannot carry out criminal intimidation.
And you don't decide the rules that are followed in India.
I follow nothing.
You make a charge.
I decide nothing. I decide nothing. I decide nothing. But Mr. Bhatia, you known this channel and you known me long enough. I'm just going to put all sides on the channel. I'm now going to ask. My point is in our
charges, Mr. Amitabh Thakur with rape is not serious for you tonight at News.
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia,
it is not serious. It is of no consequence that
Mr. Bhatia, my question.
Been made and accused.
Mr. Bhatia, you're not letting others speak, please. This is not right, please, Mr. Bhatia. You see the amount of time you're speaking. Amitabh Thakur is laughing tonight. Amitabh Thakur, आप हंस क्यों रहे हैं?
Mr. Arnab,
है तो
sir,
को छुपा रहा है अमिताभ
बोलिए अमिताभ जी,
अपने डर को छुपा रहे हैं इसलिए हंस रहे हैं।
बोलिए अमिताभ जी।
ठाकुर जो अपना झूठ है उसको अपनी छाती से छुपा अमिताभ ठाकुर को ये बताना चाहिए।
आप गौरव जी जरा सुनिए, अमिताभ ठाकुर बोलिए।
पहले की
I was laughing because I was looking at the desperation of Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, because he has been at a very young age, he has been appointed to a very important post, and he has to defend Mr. Mulayam Singh at any cost. My arguing with him is immaterial. He has to defend, and his desperation was really laughable to me.
Side of law. As a lawyer,
Ajay Kumar,
I will only speak the language of law.
One second, Gaurav Bhatia, Ajay Kumar.
Gaurav Bhatia, please keep
Ajay Kumar and Shahid Siddiqui. Ajay Kumar.
No,
let others speak. Yeah.
Ajay Kumar, go ahead.
Gaurav. Arnab, what Gaurav is attempting is such a...
Gaurav, what are you afraid of? Why are you allowing Mr. Thakur to speak and others to speak?
First question,
why are you so terrified?
Gaurav, that Shahid, just Gaurav, if the call came from Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav's house, you're getting into technicalities, but Arnab, this is the typical way in which, officers, upright officers, rape cases registered after the incident, after he's come. One sec, Gaurav, let us speak here. Gaurav, we have heard you. I'm just saying that this is how, irrespective how the state, how the UP government in this case is trying to stifle by putting up false charges. I mean, how ridiculous, how low can you get to, put his wife and husband also involved in the rape case?
I am quite sure that you do not understand.
No, one sec, Gaurav, let me
complete. Ajay Kumar, continue. Gaurav Bhatia, don't stop
him. Let me try, what I'm trying to say is, why it is very, very difficult for honest and upright guys to fight. There are very few of them left. Because most of them will not take such kind of panga. Most of them will compromise very early.
You are giving them a
no, seriously, one second, Gaurav. It takes a lot of courage. It takes a lot of courage for honest guys to fight the system.
Please,
this is how we browbeat them. You put them on a stage, they go around, they get transferred.
On our screen.
One second, Gaurav. Gaurav, I can outsource you, that's not the issue. The issue is, for God's sake, stop threatening people. Stop threatening filing officers.
Mr. Amitabh Thakur
filing false cases.
that he was aware of the
And
complaint.
this is not the way, you know, Gaurav, if you're going to scream your head off, it just doesn't make sense. Arnab, this is the way, you know, why the country is going. You repeatedly scared officers. Very few honest people left. Very few honest officers left. Now you will have this kind of cases registered against them.
But
how many are going to take a chance?
You
How many are going to show courage?
And what
You know,
about,
this is
what
a
about
problem,
the rape charges
and that
against
is
him
why
filed
the
by a
police
woman?
has to
She does not deserve a fair
be
investigation.
firewalled against political
He does not
interference.
deserve a fair investigation.
It is mandatory, otherwise you will have the
Ajay ji.
civil servants
What kind of a
continuously
statement is
prohibited.
this?
there is something at the same time. At the same time, at the same time, at the same time,
Gaurav,
at the
the
same time,
issue is,
Ajay,
what's wrong is wrong.
Ajay, at the
What's
same.
wrong is wrong, Gaurav. You can't say
the fact that
you
he
prove
admitted
the
he is not
original
submitting
voice.
the right thing.
Okay, Gaurav, one second.
Gaurav,
Gaurav, one second. Gaurav Bhatia, listen to me, please. Gentlemen, listen to me. I want to get Shahid Siddiqui into the debate, but before that, I just want to make a simple point. There are two people in Uttar Pradesh today. One is Ram Murthy Verma, right? He's a minister, right? Ram Murthy Verma is a minister. Gaurav Bhatia, he's a minister. Backward class welfare minister. Now, gentlemen, I'm telling you, there are two faces today in Uttar Pradesh. On the one side is this man, Ram Murthy Verma. He's booked for murder in the Jagendra Singh murder case. He's on the run. 1 second. On the other side, there is Amitabh Thakur. On the other side, Gaurav, please do not heckle me. Please do not heckle me, Gaurav.
Tonight, just discuss.
Tonight, Gaurav, this country, let me tell you, there's a wonderful spirit of honesty in this country.
Gaurav, you have turned the whole debate into a farce.
Yeah, you see, Shahid Siddiqui.
You're not allowing any debate.
Shahid Siddiqui, one
doesn't mean that
If you have argument, let others
how
speak.
to place the facts and the true facts in the debate.
Mr. Bhatia, please.
I have the right to
Mr.
What
Bhatia.
happened was
Nobody
wrong.
is telling you. I'm nobody to tell you. You are too high, you are too
what
mighty,
happened
you
was
are too
wrong.
powerful, you have a lot of voice. You can tell everybody to say what you want to say. But you're not allowing a debate and the nation can see that. They can see through you.
Do you think
Don't do this.
What happened is wrong.
I've been listening to you for the
How
last
can you
hour.
go underneath the
Quietly.
feet?
Shahid Siddiqui, please.
How can you say that we have
And then
to
you're
take the
threatening
voice?
me.
How can you say that the case, the
two
the
facts
case
that
was not
I placed were
registered?
not relevant? Were you aware
Gaurav,
of
the fact is, it came from Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav's house.
was filed in Jan.
A person, Mr. Bhatia, if you coolly listen to me and please allow
Come on,
Shahid
Gaurav,
Siddiqui
don't
to come to the
character
debate.
assassinate
No,
everybody.
Ajay Kumar, it's fair we give time to Shahid Siddiqui now
Gaurav,
because he
please
has
don't character assassinate
Shahid Siddiqui. No, one second.
For honest guys, the only thing we have a reputation.
Ajay Kumar. Can I take 20 seconds, gentlemen? I'm going to Shahid Siddiqui next. First point I made 2 points. First point I want to make, in this country, for every Ashok Khemka, there's a DK Ravi. For every DK Ravi, there's a Durga Shakti Nagpal. For every Durga Shakti Nagpal, there's an Amitabh Thakur. The undying spirit of honesty comes whether netas like it or not. No, one sec. Point number two. Do not. No, Mr. Bhatia, I'll compare who to what I want, Mr. Bhatia. Now, my question, Shahid Siddiqui.
How can you give a certificate of honesty to an officer when I'm telling you
And how can you accuse an officer of alleged... Mr. Bhatia, you are not listening to anyone, Mr. Bhatia, except yourself. Please hear me. How can you accuse... I am asking you, how can you accuse anyone of allegedly being a rapist because he released the tape with your leader's voice allegedly on it, threatening him with physical intimidation? Shahid Siddiqui on the screen. Shahid Siddiqui, listen to him. Shahid Siddiqui. Shahid Siddiqui only, please. Shahid Siddiqui and Gaurav Bhatia. Yeah.
It's impossible to have a honest debate with Mr. Gaurav Bhatia going hyper and not allowing any civilized argument or debate. It seems very clear that he doesn't have much of an argument and therefore he is making noise and not allowing anybody else to speak. The fact is that the mining mafia is very, very strong in Uttar Pradesh. And it is not only this government, whichever the government,
Really?
it is the mining
Have
mafia
you gone
which has been
with
intimidating
complaint that you
everyone.
filed, Mr.
And they have
Shahid
been
Siddiqui,
providing
against
a
mining
lot of
mafia?
black money to
Have
the
you
masters
filed
in
any
power.
complaint
And
against
it's also
mining
a fact that there are very few,
As a
very
citizen
few
of the country,
honest...
have you filed any? You just
I have fought them. I have fought them in these laws. Now, Mr. Bhatia, you are trying to divert the debate. You are trying to divert the debate.
No, you are making
Let's
bold
talk about
allegations and I am refuting them. I'm
honest
asking you,
officers.
have
There
you
are
filed
very
any
few honest
complaints on
officers
what
left in
basis you are
Uttar
saying?
Pradesh,
Then they are
and
mining
they
mafias
are
in UP.
forced to work as tools of the party in power. Whether it is
Come on.
BJP,
You were part
SP,
of this
SP,
party,
any of these
Mr.
parties,
Shahid
they
Siddiqui.
do not allow
You
any
used to praise
honest
the party
officer
ideology.
and honest politician.
So, when you left the party has become bad now. Then Mr. Shahid Siddiqui is in the Samajwadi Party. It is
Yes,
a
I
good
left the party because
But
I
when
was
Mr.
not
Shahid
allowed
Siddiqui
because
leaves the party,
I saw
it
that
becomes a very
as soon
bad
as the party was in power, it became one of the
Come on.
most corrupt parties.
And then you
Outside
went
power,
went
you
to
talk
BSP.
all kinds of idealism.
And
Once
then
you are
you
in
left
power,
BSP
you
also.
become extremely
So, Mr.
corrupt.
Shahid
You are trying to now intimidate me. You are trying to attack me because you have no arguments.
Even join any
Go on speaking. Don't allow anybody.
Samajwadi
You don't believe
Party
in democracy. You
because
don't believe in
left the
freedom of
Samajwadi
expression.
Party. That logic won't work. I think the viewers need to know that you were an integral part of the party till the time.
That's all right. We are not discussing Shahid
The party
Siddiqui.
becomes bad.
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia. Mr.
And on
Bhatia.
what basis are
Mr.
you saying
Bhatia.
that they are mining mafias?
Mr.
Have
Bhatia, I have a few questions.
Ask Azam Khan. Azam Khan has been telling that Mulayam Singh is the biggest RSS agent. Azam Khan has been saying, I've got
Don't
proof,
get personal.
I've got records.
Okay, no personal.
Khan.
I will not get personal with you, Shahid ji.
My question is to Amitabh Thakur. Okay.
But don't
My question, okay, Gaurav Bhatia and Shahid
supporting
Siddiqui.
it.
Gaurav Bhatia and Shahid Siddiqui, I'm going back to Amitabh Thakur.
Yeah, that I
Amitabh Thakur, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है.
Arguing today.
Amitabh Thakur ji.
Either you.
Amitabh Thakur.
Or they cannot
Shahid Siddiqui. First of all, Amitabh Thakur, I want to say this. In our newsroom right now, Mr. Thakur, I'm not taking phone calls. But there are hundreds of phone calls coming into my newsroom of people who want to talk to you. I have one very simple question for you. Mr. Thakur,
Sir.
when an IPS officer who's cleared an exam, he and his wife stake everything they have to take on the establishment, including the very powerful mining mafia. And when Mulayam Singh Yadav calls you allegedly and says aap sudhar jaiye, which means amounts, if this tape is true, to a very serious threat of physical violence. This is what this tape refers to.
Said, sir, because you understand the facts. As an IPS officer, I could have led a very good life, and I could have got good postings also, like most of us get. Somehow, I think I am a derailed person. I chose this path of activism along with my wife, and the very day when we were going to leak this information, this is video tape, audio tape, we knew the large number of consequences which will follow, and that is why this rape charge I called a returned gift from Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav. I have heard that a few more cases have been registered against me, one in Kanpur, one in Jhansi, and possibly more will come. The consequences are going to be there, but somehow I decided that let me be fortunate enough to come forward and bring forth the criminal, political, and the worst part, the administrative nexus that we have in the country. Let me be a victim, but at least let this fact come to the public.
Are you not seeing this in this? What I see in this, Amitabh Thakur. Amit, one sec. What I'm seeing here, Gaurav, if you allow me, please. What I'm seeing here is that there are people like Amitabh Thakur who are not scared anymore. And you understand this, Gaurav Bhatia? Journalists know it, bureaucrats know it. No, 1 second, Mr. Bhatia. Now, Mr. Bhatia, you must allow me to speak. I am going to say something. I am going to say.
Don't debate an issue because you have prejudged a complaint.
Mr. Bhatia,
says that
Mr. Bhatia,
Thakur has raped her. And that lady is made an accused in a subsequent
Mr.
complaint
Bhatia,
by
my
Mr.
question to you is this: Did Akhilesh? No, Mr. Bhatia, listen to me.
The nation can see that. The people can see that.
I think you are being very unfair to a lady.
Okay, fine. No, 1 second, Mr. Bhatia, I have 4 questions for you, please. Only one and one-on-one with you and me, Mr. Bhatia. Okay. My first question to you.
Let's do it, and then I'll also ask you certain questions.
Journalism.
Why
So
not?
forget the second
For the
part.
sake of credibility,
I will leave
for the
this
sake of
profession the
clarity,
day I
for the
accept
sake of
script.
democracy,
For the sake of democracy, I won't. My question to you is, Akhilesh.
Why can't we ask you questions? Are we scapegoats coming to your program that you can butcher us every night and we shouldn't be asking
Mr.
questions?
Bhatia, you can ask. I will not ask questions that you want me to
I
ask.
would not take this.
Mr. Bhatia, listen to me now.
I'm not a scapegoat here that you butcher me and I can't ask.
Mr. Bhatia, I have no intentions of butchering anyone. I'm asking a question,
I have
please.
all the courage to
Honest
take on
officers in Uttar
100
Pradesh.
Arnab. I will take you on.
Okay, Mr. Bhatia. No, we are wasting time. No, are we not wasting time, gentlemen? Will you allow me to just allow me
You
1
are
minute?
wasting time.
No, I'm not. Mr.
You are wasting time, Arnab. I'm not. You ask me your questions.
Question number 1.
Arnab,
Question number 1. Is Akhilesh Yadav justifying Mulayam's advice to Amitabh Thakur when he confirms that Mulayam Singh Yadav was on the line? Does the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh believe that threatening a senior police officer amounts to advice? Does asking a senior police official to go soft against a fellow minister or face the consequences amount to advice? Answer the question.
Yes,
Answer the question.
I will answer. You please make it 1-to-1. I don't want any interruptions in between. Yes. Have you seen the content of the complaint without admitting whatever the content are because
you
the
are
original
worried
has
of
not been
interruptions.
submitted?
You have been interrupting the whole
Now
debate.
again, I hear interruptions.
Arnab,
I don't want any interruptions, Arnab. I want to respond to your question. So make it 1-to-1.
Mr. Bhatia,
Absolutely, there will be interruptions.
this is an open debate.
You believe in interruptions.
Yeah.
It's an open debate. Akhilesh, I have one question. I have one question. मेरा एक सवाल है. My one question is.
forget the paper. Then
I
forget
want
the
to
FIR,
read the
there's audio
contents of
tape.
the...
अच्छा, listen to me. Listen.
you allow me?
Okay, I have only one question. Ajay Kumar.
There is an audio tape.
Ajay Kumar, I have only one question
There is
now.
an audio tape.
No, Ajay Kumar and Shahid Siddiqui.
Any of us to speak, we will not allow you to speak.
Understand the difference between primary and
Gaurav,
You have
secondary
been making
evidence.
personal attacks instead of replying to questions.
Okay, here's a question.
What has to be established?
Here's one.
What has to be given?
One question on this show tonight. One question.
So I want to address that.
One question, and I am asking the question to Gaurav Bhatia, and the others can come in after that. My only question to Gaurav Bhatia is this. Gaurav Bhatia, my only question to you is this. Suppose Mulayam Singh Yadav calls you up and says, याद है आप जब मार खाए थे आप कहीं पे, जब समाजवादी कोई दूसरे पार्टी के, सुनिए ना मेरी बात, सुनिए मेरी बात.
मुलायम सिंह यादव जी ने ये नहीं कहा. मैं पढ़ूंगा जो उन्होंने कहा, जो इनकी
क्या कहा बताइए, क्या कहा? मैं भी पढ़ रहा हूं, उन्होंने क्या कहा? मैं पढ़ रहा हूं, उन्होंने क्या कहा?
पाया है ओरिजिनल टेप, ये सिर्फ वही बता सकते हैं.
सुनिए,
मैं आपको
सुनिए, मैं पढ़ के सुनाता हूं अंग्रेजी ट्रांसलेशन.
मैं सुनाता हूँ आपको, आप गौर करिएगा.
गौरव भाटिया,
उसके बाद आपको
गौरव भाटिया, उन्होंने कहा इन इंग्लिश.
आप मेरे सुनिए. नहीं, आपको मैं
मिस्टर भाटिया, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? यू लिसन टू मी. यू लिसन टू मी.
यादव जी ने कहा, पहली चीज उन्होंने कही कि आप जब पिछली बार पिट रहे थे, एग्जैक्ट लाइन इज, वहां हमने बचाया तुम्हें पिटने से. सो किसने बचाया? मुलायम सिंह जी ने किसी को पिटने से बचाया. ये कॉन्वर्सेशन में. दूसरी बात, उन्होंने कहा आपसे हमदर्दी रही. मैं पटना गया, घर वालों ने कहा मेरा लड़का है, देखते रहना. वो चिल्ला नहीं रहे, वो धमकी नहीं दे रहे, वो कुछ गलत नहीं कह रहे, वो बता रहे हैं कि तुमसे हमदर्दी है, तुम्हें पिछली बार पिछले से बचाया, गलत मत करना वरना आगे जो है इससे ज्यादा हो जाएगा। ये नहीं कहा कि मैं करूंगा।
नहीं तो एडमिट कर गया आप।
ये कंटेंट सही है।
आप तो एडमिट कर गए, अभी क्या डिबेट करना बाकी है?
मैंने तो
शाहिद सिद्दीकी इन्होंने तो ये एडमिट कर चुके हैं अभी।
शुरू से कहा मैंने
तो फिर ओरिजिनल सुनिए गौरव जी आपसे कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ। गौरव जी मेरी बात सुनिए।
हिंदी फिल्मों में जब थ्रेट करता है विलियन,
शाहिद सिद्दीकी बोलिए।
थ्रेट करता है विलियन।
इसमें गलती आपकी नहीं है। आप में अगर बुद्धिमत्ता होती तो आप मेरे तर्क को समझते कि अगर ये सच है तो मैं बता रहा हूं। ये आपने सुना नहीं।
अच्छा तो सुनिए,
अपने हिसाब से
सुनिए, इतनी हिंदी तो हम भी समझ लेते हैं। गौरव जी आप नॉन स्टॉप बोल रहे हैं, मगर मेरी बात सुन लीजिए 2 मिनट।
चाहे वो
अरे भाई गौरव जी, आप
transcript of the tape say that's the important issue.
I'll read the
What is the transcript of the tape say clearly?
if you allow me, can I read it out? No, सुनिए, if you allow me.
The transcript of the tape is
Okay, I'll play the tape again. I'll play the tape again.
Gaurav, the transcript of the tape is the threat.
Transcript is not that important. The source and the authenticity is more important.
Why is the transcript not important,
And
Gaurav?
Joy ji, you know nothing about law.
No, the transcript is important.
Because
On the one hand, you are admitting.
no, it is not. Read the
Gaurav, I happen to...
Gentlemen, what's it? Acha, now you know what, Gaurav, listen to me. Gentlemen, listen to me. Translation in English, nobody will disturb me now. I'm reading it out. Amitabh Singh says, one second. Mr. Bhatia, you cannot stop me from saying one word. Please, Mr. Bhatia, please stop. Please stop. Please, Mr. Bhatia. You have spoken non-stop. You have to allow me to complete. I am now going to read this out, please. And Mulayam Singh Yadav says, I saved you from the thrashing. Everyone wanted to kill you. Mulayam Singh Yadav says, everyone wanted to kill you inside the school. Amitabh Thakur says, Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav wanted to kill the police officer inside the school. And then Amitabh Thakur says, what's the matter? I'm unable to understand. And then Mulayam Singh Yadav says, I will tell you, but Gaurav, Amitabh Thakur.
When the school incident happened,
Amitabh Thakur is counting. Amitabh Thakur, extend Amitabh Thakur, please. Amitabh Thakur has raised his hand. Amitabh Thakur.
Who was the which was the government in?
I wanted to say
Amitabh Thakur. Only Amitabh Thakur now.
अमिताभ जी, ये जो स्कूल वाले घटना के बारे में
Sir, I wanted to say something.
उस वक्त
बोलिए।
सरकार किसकी थी?
बोलिए अमिताभ जी।
अजय जी को बता दीजिए।
बोलिए अमिताभ जी।
उनको पता चलेगा कैसे किसी को। Sir, I wanted to say something.
Yeah.
The fact is that Mr. Gaurav is saying that Mr. Mulayam Singh saved me. The fact is that Mr. Mulayam's relative and MLA there, he criminally attacked me. I came to my office as SP Firozabad. I telephoned Mr. Mulayam Singh. I told him I want to register an FIR. Mr. Mulayam Singh said, you do not register an FIR. But despite his order, I would say, I went and I registered the FIR. That is it. Mr. Mulayam was not on the spot. He never saved me. Mr. Gaurav is unnecessarily trying to rescue Mr. Mulayam out of point.
This is extremely
Arnav,
serious.
Without admitting
I've
the
never heard
content,
anything like
what
this
did I
coming
read
from
out?
such a
The people who attack Amitabh belong to the Samajwadi Party.
the transcript.
The people who attack him are Samajwadi
given
Party.
by Mr.
The
Amitabh
first time.
Thakur.
And then you're saying you're going to save him. Come on, Gaurav.
I read
The first time when he was attacked, they were also from Samajwadi Party. So how can you say you're saving him, yeah?
Mr. Amitabh Thakur gave this
Gaurav,
transcript
the people who attacked him when he was attacked,
Tonight on the program,
Who are attacking
they
him?
were from Samajwadi
tonight-
Party, so what's the question of protection?
tonight on the program, as I wrap up this debate, on the screen is a person called Amitabh Thakur.
बता दीजिए सबको।
Just Amitabh Thakur on the screen, please. I want to say something about him, please. On your screen, ladies and gentlemen, tonight,
I'm willing to leave.
Mr.
I'm not required, I'm willing to leave.
No, Gaurav Bhatia, you're very much required, but I'm just saying one thing. Here, Mr. Bhatia, please.
Then why are you saying only Mr. Amitabh Thakur?
I'm saying something about him.
Speak on your program.
Gaurav Bhatia, listen to me. Gaurav Bhatia, listen to me. Just understand one thing.
Yes.
Amitabh Thakur is an Inspector General of Police. He says I have been threatened. He has gone on record. He has released a tape of Mulayam Singh Yadav threatening him. Akhilesh says my father is only advising the police officer.
For violating all India Conduct Service rules. Ask him whether he has been given notice in violation of all India's service rules or not. He violated the service rules by making statements that were against the government.
Tonight, somewhere I get a sense. You will accuse a person of being a rapist, of violating service rules. You will accuse the person's wife of being an accomplice to rape. You will say he's a terrible man. Next, you'll say he's corrupt. Next, you'll say he's nepotistic. You will say he's motivated. And tomorrow, you'll say that he's acting on behalf of a rival political party. But Mr. Bhatia, please understand this. Somewhere, Mr. Bhatia. Somewhere.
Nobody can make record. Nobody can.
Somewhere, Mr. Bhatia.
Was sent to
somewhere.
1 year back.
Somewhere, Mr. Bhatia. Somewhere, Mr. Bhatia. A lot of good people in India. Mr. Bhatia, a lot of people in India are losing their fear. They are speaking up. And those people who speak up must be rewarded, not punished.
That why
Please.
is Mr. Arnab Goswami taking only one side and ignoring the other side? Why is Mr. Arnab Goswami no longer serious about rape? Why is Mr. Arnab Goswami defending an errant IPS officer? That is also something the Indians
But Mr. Bhatia, Mr. Bhatia,
your bold statements would have no meaning for me.
now, Gaurav Bhatia, as I close this debate, let me tell you this, Mr. Bhatia, let your government come out and say, that the tape is a false tape. And then we will take this forward. Because if the tape is not a false tape,
where is the original?
and if he says he will produce the original as well, and you have no right to believe that he won't, if he produces the original tomorrow,
read the Supreme Court judgment.
Okay, I wrap this up.
Authenticity and source are the most important things when you give electronic evidence.
This is not the first time. This is not the first time that a bureaucrat and a police officer has taken on a politician in their state.
Don't give me all.
I repeat once again, the question is tonight in the viewers' court, which side do you stand? Will you watch this happen, or will you take a clear position tonight that somewhere in the middle of all this, it appears somewhere that some citizens in this country are losing their sense of fear. Gaurav Bhatia, Amitabh Thakur, Ajay Kumar and Shahid Siddiqui.
I challenge you.
We will, and we will get Amitabh Thakur and you back on another episode of the News Hour. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.